The biggest mistake you can ever make with a beginner kit is thinking, it's only beginner fun. Well, this right here, I guarantee that's going to change your mind.
I try to catch you.
I think I'm gonna lap you.
You might be. Yeah.
G'day, Stu from UAVfutures here. And have you ever wanted to share that joy of FPV, that rush that you get when you're flying around with your friends, but you're worried a beginner kit isn't quite up to scratch? Don't worry, today's video is definitely going to change your mind. This is their latest thing from Emax. It is the nanoscout, and let me tell you, just because it's beginner doesn't mean it is not next level fun. And that's what this entire video is going to be about. We're going to be catching up with Stickman Steve, and you're going to see, even though I've been doing this for a decade, the amount of laughs I had flying this little Whoopcraft around really was next level. We're going to put it through its paces. We're going to show you the goggles. Like, this is everything you need to get up and get flying. The link's going to be down below. But you know what's better than one of these? Well, two of these. So I don't know what happened in the post, but I got two separate packages and that meant this was perfect. So I'm gonna be able to race these with Steve. We're gonna get his impressions, my impressions, and just have an awesome time. So if you've ever wanted a beginner kit, this is the video for you. And if you wanna share FPV with someone else, I really can't think of a better way to do it than with this right here. So to start it off, what you're gonna get in the kit, it comes in like a big carry case, but you're gonna get your nanoscout itself. You're gonna get a headset and also a radio. And I have to say, I thought these things would be extremely cheap. However, that didn't stop me having an awesome time flying this thing around upstairs, and I actually kind of forgot that I was using a cheap radio. I mean, it's going to be no comparison to something like the Radio Master Pocket, but this, it was more than enough. It binds up to ELRS. I love that it's got some stickers on here. It was really, really easy to set up, and those stickers meant like, oh, this is arm switch. This is my mode switch. Like, having those labels on here does make a difference because not everyone's a FPV pro like me or you. This really is aimed at those beginners. The goggles before, we've seen these. They have like a telescopic way you can zoom these in and out if you need to focus. This is probably for me the part that was a little bit difficult. I know Stickman Steve had some issues focusing on his. He needed his out at the maximum extension, but the beauty is you can simply detach the screen. So you plug it in by USB, it records DVR, you're ready to rip up, rip around. It was just a very, very easy process. And then the star of the show, the part that I want to talk about is this here, the nanoscout. Now the nanoscout itself, it's a really capable, fun little whoop. It's about 22.9 grams or something like that. I'll put the stats on the screen. A really light little craft that performs, I have to say, beautifully. It was exactly what I wanted. It was nice in beginner mode, it was nice in intermediate or expert mode. It's got plenty of pop. It does come with two batteries in the kit, but it has the little note here, the little new Emax connector on the back, so you need to be mindful of that. Simply plug those in, and then Bob's your uncle. You're ready to rock and roll. It is like a fantastic kit to just give somebody and say, have at it, enjoy FPV, and that's exactly what we're going to do right now.
Rightio, here we are, something a little bit different. Steve's come over for tea. We're in the kitchen, but this is what it's all about. Flying around with the nanoscout. So from Emax, their new little kit aimed at just getting people enjoying FPV in a tiny little Whoop form factor. A bit of a replacement or not even an upgrade from the Tiny Hawk, just the next evolution. And this is where we got to. So we're gonna fly it around, have some fun. We've got the box goggles on. You would have seen it on the bench, but let's do it, have some fun. The kids are gonna chase it as well. They're super pumped, but yeah, ready to have a little race?
Yeah, we'll give it a go.
All right, let's go. You start, I'll try and catch you. You talk to me though. Well, oh, okay.
All right,
here we go, all right. Whoa! Almost clipped my daughter's hair there.
Yeah, come around this one,
Stop, oh yes! This is great, they're helping me out. Alright, where are you?
I think I'm gonna be, oh, no, let's see.
You over?
Yeah, I'm behind you now.
Okay, I'm gonna do wide and then you go.
Yeah, right, in the hallway. Oh.
Alright.
Right, I'm in front of you.
Oh yeah, how did you? Oh man, you got these corners down pat. I'm gonna get real aggressive. No, I've crashed again. No, I think I crashed into a kid. Okay, I'm
Right, you see me when you come around the corner, I'm over the bench.
Oh yeah? Yep. Okay, alright, I'm out of the corner. Where are you now?
I'm in the hallway. Oh, over the bench.
Alright, I'm gonna wait for you here. Oh yeah, man, you're flying around there.
Whoa! You see the girls' heads when you take a corner real quick?
See the what?
The girls' heads?
Yeah. Okay. I can't catch you, man. I try to catch you.
I think I'm gonna lap you.
You might be.
Yeah, I am.
I can't lift this down. You're smashing this back corner really well. You're in front of me. Oh, what?
I'm already in the hallway.
Okay, I'm catching. I'm gonna get you. No. Ah! No! Woo!
These are fun. Whoa, whoa!
Oh, yeah. I got my video back.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
Whoa, whoa. Where are you?
I'm going reverse. Whoa! I'm going reverse to you.
Righto. Trying to mess me up with the left-hand turn. See ya.
All right.
Whoa!
Oh, yep, I see you then. Ah, look out, kids! Oh no, I've lost. Oh, I've saved it. Oh no, I haven't.
Dude, how stable are these things?
Yeah, very easy to fly. Let's see if we can do some flying under the table, right? So the kitchen table on the left of us.
Yep. Oh, there's bars there.
All right, I gotta make a tunnel, Sage. I'll go between ya.
Oh, I guess it's real low.
All right, make a tunnel, Willow. No, don't grab it. Make a tunnel with your legs. All right, here we go. Ah, here it comes. Ready? Ah! Ah! Oh, you got low battery?
Oh, done there.
Oh man.
These things are good.
All right, there's the dinner. Man, so stable. Oh.
Yeah, hey.
Hang on, let me try. Hang on. Oh, okay, you guys can get it. Thank you. Good to go. Look how stable this is. I'm getting a land now. All right. Hang on. What did you two think about that drone? Willow, what did you think? Thumbs up? They're puffed. Let me stop my DVR. Do you know what I think the biggest letdown for these is? Why my other daughter's choking from so much running around. We've only got 2 packs.
Yeah.
Like, I want to fly more.
It's good flight times out of them.
Yeah.
But yeah, you definitely want to keep going.
Hang on, I'm just going to get my kid a glass of water.
For sure.
Steve, what did you think?
These things fly awesome.
Okay.
For a little beginner craft, that was just so much fun.
Yeah, I think they've absolutely nailed it. Oh, I'm going to turn these off. I don't like the inactivity at alarm. It's
it's
kind of
annoying.
a little bit too frustrating. Yeah, let's break it down. The craft, first and foremost, I loved it.
It's good fun.
Heaps of fun. It was sort of, even for my sort of flying, you were lapping me. It's more than I can fly. Do you know what I mean? The craft wasn't holding my skills back. And I've been flying for a long time. I'm not the best part, but I'm also have a little bit of experience. The radio, what you think?
Radio was fine. I mean, for what we're doing inside, you don't expect huge range or anything.
No.
I was just trying to see the radio antenna on the drone. I can't see it anyway.
It is
like a little ceramic.
It does feel cheap, I have to say though. Like in the hand, it feels like a cheap radio.
Yeah.
But it performed okay.
That's
like
fine.
I didn't notice it when I was flying around. It didn't feel like it was holding me, but I was probably just having too much fun.
Yeah, it was awesome.
What about the goggles? What did you think of the goggles?
I think the picture was fine,
Mm-hmm.
but the focal length on these, once you extend them out like that,
Yes.
is just crazy big. I found once I was flying and I was focusing on my trajectory, it was okay.
Yep.
But yeah, definitely eye strain.
Yeah, I feel the same. That's probably for me the weakest part.
Yeah.
They just need to be even more further away. So I don't know if that's like old people eyes or what that is. But I do like how you can disconnect it though.
Yep.
And it also actually something, I don't know if you've seen this, it's downstairs in the rest of the studio. This little part here, it comes with an adapter.
Oh, yeah.
So if you wanted to fly and say you wore glasses or a kid doesn't actually want to put those on their face, they can fly by looking at the screen that sits at the top of the radio.
I will say on the goggles though, Stu,
Yep.
like I started off with the old Eachine EV800s and all that. I don't use them as a ride-along goggle anymore, but these you still could. You know what I mean? The picture, they're compact, but you know.
And also because you can take it
screen.
off. Yeah, it's much easier to show
It's
somebody.
much smaller,
So.
compact.
All right, thumbs up, thumbs down in the middle.
As far as flying for fun goes, yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, would you get one if you were just? I think I would get one to get someone into FPV. Being in the hobby for me, there's like obviously I like as much gear as I can with like pushing the ranges and everything like that. But I think you nailed it when you say an Emax 2 thumbs up.
Yep.
If you want to fly around, you want to have fun. That's 100%
don't
what
look
this
past
is.
it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's definitely even for a beginner kit. don't underestimate how much fun you can have with it.
Awesome.
I mean, I love it. Too easy. Well, let's charge this up again and rip some more packs, eh?
Yeah, no worries.
And have some tea.
Yeah.
So who is this for? And I have to say, this kit, it really is for anybody who wants to jump in and experience FPV in a fun way that works. It is simple. You've got a great drone. It's more than capable, and you're going to have a bunch of laughs while you're doing it. Is it going to be for everybody? No, like the ready to fly kit, the goggles, look, they're kind of my least favorite part. I do like you can take the screen off. The radio, it's a very cheap ELRS radio. Don't expect miracles or long range or anything from this. It serves this whole setup fine, but the drone itself, yeah, I like it. Like, it's a reliable little whoop that is very, very fun to fly. It's using some proprietary batteries, but you could probably cut that leads off if you needed to. But overall, I have to say, I really like it. It is fun. I think it's going to get a lot of people in the hobby, and that's what Emax seems to be going for. They've done massive things in the past with their Tiny Hawk series, and now the nanoscout is basically what I believe is going to be their next iteration. So heading into 2025 or the end of 2024, if you want to get people flying, this really does feel like the perfect gift to get them into the hobby, to experience it, because it is fun.